Now let's learn the law of sines. Now when do we use law of sines? If you have a right triangle, you have to use Pythagorean theorem, or you can also use Sokatsuwa. But if you have an oblique triangle, or let's say it's not a right triangle, you can use the law of sines or law of cosines. Law of sines is like this: sine A over A, which is the opposite side, is equal to sine B over B, the opposite side, or sine C, and the opposite side is C. Now let's solve number 1. We're gonna look for B. We have the sine B, the angle C, and the small c. So we can solve it like this. We can change their positions. So B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. Let's write it here. So B over sine B, because we're looking for B, so it's easier this way, is equal to C over sine C. So if we're gonna substitute the values, B is 35 degrees and C is 10 over sine C, that's 95 degrees. Now all we have to do is, to get B, let's remove that, multiply it to 10. So basically B will become 10 sine 35 divided by sine 95, and we're gonna get B. Let's use our calculator then. We're gonna have 10 sine 35, are you seeing this? 10 sine 35, then let's divide it by sine 95 there. We got 5.76. So B is equal to 5.76. There we go. Now let's proceed to number 2 then. Number 2, we have an A, we have an angle A, the opposite, we have the C, but we don't have the angle C. Also, we're gonna look for B then. So first, we have to find C to get this angle, and we're gonna find B later. Now, let's start. So basically, we have the given. This one A, we're looking for C. So basically, we can write sine C over C is equal to sine A, over small a, I mean. Now, sine C, we're looking for that angle. Sine C is over the C, that's 15. Sine of angle A, that's 30. Over our small a, which is 9. So basically, sine C is equal to, let's multiply 15 to sine 30, 15 sine 30 divided by 9. Then, after that, arc sine, or we can say the inverse of sine C. So, C is equal to sine of -1 of the answer of this. So, 15 sine 30 over 9. And angle C is equal to, okay, let's calculate it then. Sorry about that. Now here, we got 15 sine 30 there, then divided by 9. Okay, let's move it here. Let's divide it by 9, and then arc sine of the answer, and that's equal to 56.4. Okay, so C is 56.4, or approximately 56. Now this is 56, and to get B, we know that the total angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So B is equal to, here, B is equal to 180 minus 56 minus 30. So B is equal to, let's get that. So 180 minus 56 minus 30, we're gonna get 94. So angle B is 94. So now, let's find B. So B over sine, the opposite is 94, is equal to, let's use A. So A is 9, small a is 9, and it's sine 30. Sine 30. So basically, just multiply 9 and sine B and sine 94. B is equal to 9 sine 94 divided by sine 30. So we're gonna get B. Let's have this. 9 sine 94, okay, divided by sine 30. There. So it's 17 or approximately 18. So our B is 18. Then let's find our B there. That's 18. Now let's continue then. And let's have the third example. Now here, we have our third example. We have complete B and small b. There. We're looking for C. So basically, since we have this, we can easily get the C. Just write it like this. C over sine C is equal to, we have this, B over sine B. So C is missing. Over the opposite of C is sine 105 equal to B, that's 7. Over sine B, angle B is 35, sine 35. So basically, just multiply sine 105 to 7. So C is equal to 7 sine 105 divided by sine 35. Okay, now here's our calculator. Okay, can you see it? So basically, we have to say 7 sine 105 there. Then let's divide it, here, let's divide it by sine 35. Then we're gonna get our answer, that's 11.8 there. So C is equal to, small c is equal to 11.8 there. Now let's continue then, and let's have number 4. Okay, the last example, we have this 5.5 there. This is 4.7, angle 63. We're looking for an angle, and that is B. So basically, it's like this. Since we have this, let's use that part. So B sine B, since we're looking for B, I'm gonna put it here, over the small b is equal to, we have the C, okay, sine C over C. So sine B is equal to the small b, which is 4.7, is equal to sine C, which is 63, divided by small c, 5.5. To get sine B, just multiply 4.7 to sine 63. So we will get this. Sine B is equal to 4.7 sine 63 divided by 5.5. Now after that, to get the B, of course we have to do the inverse, or arc sine B is equal to, okay, let's put it here at the bottom. Okay, the opposite, arc sine of this one, 4.7 sine 63 over 5.5. We're gonna get our angle then. Now, let's solve it like this. So we have 4.7 sine 63 there. Now let's divide it by 5.5 there. Then shift sign of our answer, then put parenthesis there. We got 49.5, or almost 50, approximately 50. So let's write it here, 49.5 degrees, and that's our angle B then. Okay, easy.